Very dark man don open war for multiple fronts this week o, and e no be small war. King Mishi say VDM call her crackhead because she no gree make dem meet privately o. Phyna say VDM try to sleep with her during her sister Dangote case o, but VDM himself him no dey respond to any of dem directly o. Him just dey post videos about Tinubu and bad economy. Welcome to Naija Gist Central. Na me be Clara, make I gist you everything as e take happen. VDM, as una know, na the most controversial Nigerian social media activist. Him get history to dey call out Naija celebrities, politicians and influencers. Some people love am for this one. Some say him dey bully people under activism. This week, war begin with him and him old attackers. So, King Mishi and VDM wahala bin start for February over school renovation and Seyi Tinubu money, but everybody think say the matter don die down. Then for May 25, just 2 days ago, King Mishi privately contact VDM to try to make peace. She say, "I was even trying to make peace. I was trying to make things amicable between us." But according to her, during that private conversation, VDM allegedly suggest say make dem meet in person. She refuse o. And when dis thing happen, VDM come post word crack publicly about King Mishi, and immediately im fans begin dey flood her page. Dem dey call her crackhead and drug addict everywhere. King Mishi no take am lie down o. She go straight to hospital, do full drug test, share the result publicly. She say, "Very dark man, you lie too much. You lie on people name and try to destroy them. I don't use drugs, and here is my proof." She also accused VDM say if dey always make public accusation against people without sufficient evidence. You are always accusing people falsely. You don't have facts. Now, me, I want to ask una, if na true say she reach out to make peace privately, and now you publicly call her crack because she no gree meet you personally, wetin dat one tell us about VDM character? But no be only King Mishi VDM don cross this week o, because Phyna sef don enter the matter with something wey dey even more serious o. Naija star Phyna accuse VDM of trying to take advantage of her during the period wey surround her sister Ruth's case wey involve the Dangote group. Phyna do this allegation during the conversation with King Mishi, and the conversation leak for online. So now we understand why VDM attack both Phyna and King Mishi for the same time, because King Mishi know Phyna secret about am o. Him attack both of them to discredit their stories before them to speak against them louder. Phyna come out publicly say VDM try to sleep with her. She even talk say convicted liar VDM must bury all his younger siblings just the way she bury her own sister. Hey, very painful words o from a woman wey just lost her sister to Dangote truck accident. Phyna, why now? But instead of VDM to respond to the girl, im post dey talk about Tinubu administration and bad government. Hey, what a gbas plus gbos. The girls dey accuse am of serious misconduct, and im dey talk of petrol price, electricity, gas, and the next election only for Naija. Omo, my honest take, VDM don do genuine good for Naija justice crack case. Be Lord calling out corruption. I give am credit. But this week show something sha. One woman accuse am, maybe coincidence o, two women from completely different background saying the same thing, the same pattern of behavior from the same man. That one na serious conversation o, wey must happen openly. You cannot spend your life calling out everyone else and then change the subject when serious allegations come out against you. Personally, the economy can wait o, Tinubu can wait. These women deserve a direct response. Na me talk am o for this language. King Mishi go hospital, show her test result o. dat na accountability. I no talk say VDM dey guilty o, I say face the allegations directly o, because silence and subject changing no be the behaviour of person wey no get anything to hide o. Again, if VDM wan knack anybody, VDM na adult, Phyna na adult, Kingmishi na adult, none of dem dey married o. None of dem wey we don hear wey dey announce im marriage for any media, for anywhere for inside dis our Naija. I no sure say na big deal. If dem want to knack, they should go ahead and do their knackings wella for anywhere wey dem like am. I fully dey behind dem solidly. But why dem come dey be like say the thing be like say na small children thing, say dem never reach 18 years? Dis people na full-fledged adults wey don enter 20-something 30-something years. Make una no dey come here come dey disturb us. I talk say gas price don increase. Gas price now na 2,000 naira. Una dey tell me crack and shit? Who una believe abeg? VDM or the women? Abeg drop your honest opinion. And then if dis video open your eyes today, abeg make you like am, make you share am for your WhatsApp o, and make you subscribe to my channel for more juicy ogbonge Naija entertainment gist. God bless una and see una for my next video. It is sign out.